Eye on Health, brought to you by Tallahassee Memorial Healthcare.
If you have atrial fibrillation, a type of irregular heart rhythm, you are at 5 times greater risk of having a stroke. But there is an innovative procedure available in our region exclusively at Tallahassee Memorial that can dramatically reduce that risk. It involves a small device called a Watchman, and Dr. Farhat Khairallah is here to tell us more. Dr. Khairallah, it has an intriguing name, but what exactly is the Watchman?
The Watchman is a device that is equivalent to blood thinners in preventing stroke in patients with atrial fibrillation. If you look at this image, this structure right here is called the left atrial appendage, and you see that device, it's strawberry shaped, is sitting in that appendage. And you can see that on this x-ray, what we did is went from the groin to the left atrial appendage, and we deployed this device, and you can see it being deployed. This device seals the left atrial appendage, so it prevents blood clots from forming, and does the same thing as blood thinners without the risk of bleeding.
So why would a doctor select this as opposed to putting someone on blood thinners?
This is appropriate for a patient who has a high risk of stroke, but has a high risk of bleeding, or has a high risk occupation for bleeding.
For instance?
Firemen, pilots, policemen, carpenters.
That makes sense. Okay. So who is a good candidate for this procedure?
It's a person who cannot take blood thinners ever or for a brief period of time.
Okay. And the procedure's only available here at TMH in our area?
Yes.
Well, I'm glad we have it then. Dr. Khairallah, thank you so very much.
Thank you.
To learn more about the Watchman and the exceptional heart care available at Tallahassee Memorial Healthcare, please visit tmh.org/heart.